welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to use Vanish mode on Instagram. So for that, first of all, open the Instagram application. Once you're at the Insta homepage, tap on the messenger icon or the message icon on the top right corner. Tap that. Now from here, you tap upon the conversation or the Instagram user profile to which you want to use this Vanish mode. Tap upon that. Now all that you have to do to use a Vanish mode is swipe upward, and just with that it will turn on the Vanish mode on the chat section. You just have to swipe upward. Likewise, to turn off the Vanish mode, you just swipe upward once more. To show you once more, all you need to do is swipe upward. So this is how you can use Vanish mode in Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.